You ever walked into a home and immediately feel calm? Like the light is just right, the colors are soft, the space feels warm and inviting, and for a second, you catch yourself thinking, wow, I could live here forever. Now, imagine walking into that same exact home, same layout, same size, but totally empty. No furniture, no cozy touches, no floor, just cold floors, bare walls, and silence. That feeling, isn't it gone? That's the difference staging makes. It's not just about furniture, it's about emotion. And in today's video, I want to walk you through how staging helps home sell faster and why it's one of the most powerful tools you can use when listing your home. I'm Salma Khan, a realtor based here in Redmond, and I help homeowners just like yourself sell with less stress and stronger result. Now, when I say staging, I don't mean turning your house into a showroom or spending thousands on new furniture. That's the biggest misunderstanding. Staging is all about connection. It's about helping buyer feel something when they walk through the doors, because when they feel at home, they are more likely to make it their home. And I have seen it happens over and over again and again. One of the first things I always explain to clients is that staging isn't the same as decorating. Decorating is personal. It's your style, your color, your vibe. Staging is strategic. It's about stepping into the buyer's shoe, helping them see how they would use the space, how it flows, how their life would fit right in. Once I had a listing in Kirkland. It's not a big house, but it's very cute and charming. The seller moved out and left it vacant, but they were not comfortable staging the house because that involves a cost. So the house was empty, the floors were barren, there was no offers in the first week. We decided to stage the house. A few weeks in, we brought in staging, just enough to show how to lay out the living room, what that weird corner could be used for, and how a queen bed would fit upstairs bedroom. First weekend after that, we had a couple of showings and 2 solid offers. Nothing about the house changed. It was the same house, but the feeling has changed. Here's the thing, buyers don't fall in love with the spreadsheet, they fall in love with the stories. They walk into the dining room and picture Thanksgiving dinner. They see a reading chair by the window and imagine Saturday mornings with coffee and a good book. It's those little moments that makes them say, I can see us here. One of my favorite memories was a young couple touring a stage home in Sammamish. The breakfast nook had a little round table set with 2 mugs and a newspaper. The wife turned to me and said, this house feels like us. That's it. That's the moment you want. You are not selling square footage, you are selling a vision. And when the staging is done right, it brings that vision to life. Did you know most buyers form their first opinion within 7 seconds of walking into your home? By the time they kicked off their shoe and stepped into the living room, they have already decided if it's a good fit for them or if it is not. And when a space feels dark, awkward, or empty, it's harder for them to get back on board. But if it is bright, clean, and cozy, they relax. Their body language shifts and they linger longer. They notice the details of the house, and staging helps you win those first few seconds. It gives the space warmth, it directs the eyes, it highlights the best feature of your home, like the high ceiling, natural light, or a beautiful fireplace. And in today's world, before they even get to your front door, buyers are looking online. And online stage home shines. That photo, that thumbnail be your only chance to get them to click, and it needs to pull them in. And now let's talk about the result, because this isn't just about feeling. The National Association of Realtors has studied this in details, and time to time again, the data shows that stage homes sell faster and offer for more money. I had a listing last spring where the seller was little hesitant to stage the house. They weren't sure if staging would be worth it. We compromised and we only staged the main living space and primary bedroom. That weekend, our open house was packed, and by Monday, 3 offers. It's not about spending a fortune, it's about creating that pull. When buyers feel that love and care in a home, they match it with their offers. And just in case you are thinking, this sounds great, but If I don't have the budget, let me stop you right there. Staging doesn't have to be an expensive. You would be amazed what we can do by simply reworking what you already have. Sometimes it's just rearranging furniture, taking out a bulky piece, swiping dark curtains for lighter one, or bringing up fresh linen and plant or a two. I had a seller who was on a tight budget. We didn't bring in anything new. We just decluttered, added fresh soft touches from what they already owned, and made sure the lighting was just right. That's it. And guess what? The home showed beautifully and sold quickly for more than the list price. It's not always about having more, it's about showing enough to help the buyer see the potential. At the end of the day, this isn't just about putting a for sale sign in the yard. It's about telling your story. Your home has one, and staging helps buyer imagine themselves in it. When a buyer walks in and thinks this feels right, that's the moment we are aiming for. That's when they go from browsing to buying. So if you're thinking about selling and want help with staging, whether it's full service or just some thoughtful tweaks, I would love to walk through it with you. We will find your home's best angle, bring in some warmth, and make sure the story you are telling is one buyers can't resist. Thanks for watching. I'm Salma Khan, and if you are ready to sell or even just starting to think about it, I'm here when you are ready. Hit like, subscribe, and send this video to someone you know who's getting their home market ready. Let's stage your success together.